This video, I'm going to talk about how can you create your WhatsApp avatar. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your WhatsApp, and after opening the WhatsApp, just simply tap to this three dot into the top right corner. And after that, tap to settings and go to settings. Then after going into the settings, you will directly get this option of avatar. Tap into avatar, then tap to create your avatar. Now after doing this much, just simply tap to get started button. Now after tapping into get started, you can choose between these two options. First one is create from selfie, which is easier, and the second one is create manually, which is also kind of easy. Just simply tap to any of the option which is suitable for you. In my case, I'm choosing create manually. Then you can choose your skin tone at very first. I'm choosing mine, and then tap to next button. Then after this, you can choose your hairstyle at very first. Just simply choose any of the hairstyle which you have or which you like the most. And after doing this, tap to next button. Then you will get to choose your face shape, where you can choose the most resembling face to yours. Just simply select any of the face that you like, and you can also change these options right here. Then tap to next button. Then you can choose your body type, which suits your body perfectly. You can choose either it's masculine or feminine too. Then you can edit the belt, muscles, shoulder, bust, waist, hips, stomach, and rear. And this way you can easily choose your body type from here. Then tap to save and continue. Now after doing this much, you can further stylize your avatar. Then just simply tap to save button into the top right corner. Then after doing this much, your avatar will be updated, and you can easily use this avatar into WhatsApp. This way you can very easily create your avatar. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.